And this one is from Lane, one of our other producers. She's over in our LA office. With David Krakauer and Brian Cox, we learned about the two main pillars of emergence. It is something greater than the sum of its parts, and secondly, possesses a distinct language to describe the emergent behavior. The example David gives is how fluid dynamics, through its own formulas, can predict movements of groups of particles without needing to know about each individual particle.
Yep.
Given that we have a language for describing and predicting a person's volition that screens off the microscopic factors in someone's life, would that make free will just as real as fluid dynamics? Is free will just an emergent property of conscious thought? And the finishing is please discuss.
That was nice.
Man, we got good people working for Star Talk.
Well, of course.
Damn. Why are you surprised?
Where'd you come from?
I always knew I was dumber than the people on the show. I didn't know I was dumber than all the people who work here, too. Damn.
The producers, the writers. So I love that interpretation of what's going on.
Yeah, that's
And just to remind people, in case but you can dig up the show, there are gas laws we might have learned about in chemistry,
right,
which are macroscopic laws that describe the behavior of the entire gas. Okay, pressure, temperature, this sort of thing.
Yeah,
and they work. That's why we use them, and they're called laws. Those were discovered before we even knew about atoms.
Okay,
successful laws of nature describing the behavior of atoms in this emergent way. Right. What they all do when they're sorted together as a blob of gas. That's remarkable. So I like the direction certain branches of research are going, trying to wrap their head around the meaning of emergence in understanding complex phenomena. And so, yeah, free will is emergent. It's an emergent feature of consciousness. I'm always been on the camp, even if it's not free will, if it feels like free will, it's free will.
Yeah. I think it's a fascinating thought experiment because you can say if it's not free will, it's still a choice that you're making. So maybe it's the freedom of the choice. But then if the choice is predetermined by other circumstances, is it really a choice at all? But if you alter the predeterminate factors that caused the choice, who's to say that you did that or did the circumstance do it? It's so intertwined.
Or did the gas law do it?
Of your brain do it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, did the neurosynaptic, gas law property actually cause this to happen? And I think that in some respects, there's evidence for it all.
Maybe
when you look at it.